In the realm of cutting-edge technology, one brand consistently pushes the boundaries, setting new benchmarks for innovation and design. Today, we delve into the world of Samsung, focusing on a device that embodies the pinnacle of their technological prowess, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The piece de resistance of this remarkable gadget is its groundbreaking holographic display technology, a feature that truly sets it apart. Now it's time to dissect the specifications of this tech marvel. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is powered by a formidable Exynos 3000 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. Coupled with a colossal 16 gigabytes of RAM, this device is a powerhouse ready to tackle everything from high-end gaming to complex computational tasks. The S23 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display offering vibrant colors and crystal-clear visuals, bringing your favorite content to life. But the standout feature, as mentioned earlier, is the revolutionary holographic display technology. This feature projects three-dimensional visuals into the air, a spectacle that is sure to captivate and amaze. In terms of storage, the S23 Ultra offers two options: a base model with 1 terabyte and a higher-end version with a staggering 2 terabytes. Say goodbye to storage woes, as this device has ample room for all your photos, videos, apps, and more. Turning to the camera, the S23 Ultra sports a quad-rear camera setup, featuring a 150-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a depth sensor. For selfies, it offers a 50-megapixel front camera, ensuring your selfies are always on point. The device is fueled by a robust 6000 mAh battery, backed by 65W fast charging and 15W wireless charging. This ensures your device stays powered up for longer periods, even on heavy usage. Now, let's move on to the pricing details. In Nepal, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is priced at NPR 50,000 for the base model. For our friends in India, the device comes with a price tag of INR 25,000. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation and quality. With its groundbreaking holographic display, powerful Exynos 3000 processor, ample storage options, and versatile camera setup, it is a device that truly stands in a league of its own. And although it comes with a hefty price tag, for those who desire the best of the best, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is worth every penny.